Uncle Dan's. Uncle Dan's. Oh, there's a good nature walk along that path too. Takes you towards the beach. Massive bloody trek, that one. Well, that's what, 2 or 3 we've been through without any reds, which is nice. Watch out for this bussy boy. This guy sees me. Yep. Slowing down. What's going on? Guy sees me. Slowing down for some reason. Guy behind me sees me. We're off again. Not. Slowing down again. He's not staying in his lane. He's coming in right behind me. He sees me. It's a little bit of a thing getting out of this place. I tell ya. Must be letting him in. He sees me. He sees me. Cool. Being behind me, let him in. Good on him. He's already moving, so I'm not going to slow down for him. Oh. And the reason I'm not filtering, it is legal where I am, but I just haven't done it yet. I'm not allowed to. Not interested in filtering yet. Because that's why old mate there, if he had caught me, be donezo. This guy's got bloody 1/3 of a P plate left on the back of his car. The policeman's decided he didn't want to come this way, I guess. Run me over. Good. Man, my ass is already getting sore and I haven't even bloody got onto the bloody freeway yet. Oh. but we're just chilling. Not in a rush. We're watching out. Alright, we're nearly free. Roadworks now. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ, look at all the fumes. Ugh, fuck you, mate. It's the worst time to leave. What is it? Yeah, 3:45 now, so the traffic will only just start slowing down shortly. And we made it, for the most part. There. Watch out for any Abu buses. Jeez, they must get stuck there for freaking ages. Oh man. I think the sound should be a bit better because I have got the camera on the front of the bike, but it's connected to the pack talk still, so it shouldn't sound like that really tinny, like I'm riding some old crappy dirt bike. It should sound nice and poppy and deep. Made it. Made it out of coughs anyway. Now I've just got an hour long drive to get home. Oh, I'll get some stuff for the neighbour too. The shops. And away we go. Fires are down and up to speed. Wom wom. Stuff. Helmet secured. Gears are alright, I guess. Less room in the helmet for my ears after I attach the pack talk. It wasn't too deep of an indentation in the helmet. So now my top of my ears sort of get a bit hung up. Fuck, it's annoying. I think there we go. I fixed it. Stuff. Gloves. Fucking Velcro's coming off. Only 386 k's to Brisbane. That 5 hours non-stop driving, going at 110 non-stop. Sounds about right, actually. Yeah. Stick in the slow lane. Don't know why we're slowing down so much though.